Tired of wrestling with your business finances? Let's get you set up with Sage 50, formerly known as Peachtree, in this step-by-step installation guide. First, let's make sure your computer meets the minimum system requirements for Sage 50. Check the official Sage website for the most up-to-date specifications. Usually, you'll need a compatible version of Windows, a certain amount of RAM, and sufficient hard drive space. Next, you'll need to obtain the Sage 50 installation files if you purchased a physical copy. You'll have a CD or DVD if you purchased online. You'll need to download the installer from the Sage website. After logging into your account, make sure you're downloading the correct version for your region and subscription. Once the download is complete, or you have your CD, locate the installer file, usually named something like SetupX or InstallX. Double-click the file to begin the installation process. The Sage 50 installation wizard will appear. Follow the on-screen prompts. You'll likely need to accept the license agreement, choose an installation location, and enter your serial number or activation key. Be sure to read each screen carefully. After the installation is complete, you may be prompted to restart your computer. Do so to ensure all components are properly installed. Once your computer restarts, launch Sage 50. The first time you run the program, you'll be guided through the initial setup process. This includes setting up your company information, chart of accounts, and other basic settings. Congratulations! You've successfully installed Sage 50. Now you're ready to start managing your business finances effectively. Be sure to check out our other tutorials for more tips and tricks on using Sage 50.